bawal makita yung mukha ng mga tao, guys, especially mga babae. Tinunog nila yung mga sarili nila. Good.
मीठा डालूं?
Good morning everyone. So ayan, nakaligo na kami and bihis na. So mag-breakfast lang kami and nag-order na kami ng food din sa baba. Pero free breakfast nga daw itong hotel na pinagstayan namin. So ang nangyari is bibigay daw sa amin mamaya once na prepared na. So, once na okay na yung breakfast and dineliver na, kakain na kami. And then, we'll be going sa Chitorgar Fort. So, ito yung pagkain natin for today. Meron tayong puwa, meron tayong kaman na may sauce. And, ano ba to? Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Parang tinapay siya. And, sino ba naman yung hindi gaganahan kapag nasa harap mo is yung fort, Chitorgar Fort. So, ayan yung fort and pupunta tayo dyan maya-maya. So, ayan guys, dito, merong 7 gates daw. Right? There's 7 gates.
Yes. It's, kitna saal purana hai? Killa? 500. Zyada ho gaya yaar.
What do you mean by 500?
First gate, Padalpur gate.
What is the name? Padalpur gate. So, kung napapansin nyo, merong kulay pink-pink sa daan. So, there has been an election in here. So, sa mga rally and campaigns, naglagay sila ng mga ano, ganyan, habang nagpaparada. Oh, what is this thing? Look.
Traffic.
No, there's something going on. Ah, okay. Maybe because of the amount of tourists in here, no? Puna tayo sa isang very interesting na palasyo dito. It's a palace or a fort?
It's a fort.
Fort.
But
so,
used to be palace also.
So, pupunta tayo sa isang very interesting na lugar dito wherein yung mga tao, guys, yung mga babae or yung mga asawa ng mga soldiers na sinunog nila yung mga sarili nila kasi merong mga invasion na nangyayari. So, explain ko sa inyo mamaya.
Program for them.
I thought it's for election. Ah, okay. Ban Mata program. Look, oh, meron mga umbrellas and all. Ah, okay. That's the shivling. That's why they're color purple and pink. Look, oh. They're, doing parade. Look, oh. And we are already inside the fort, I think.
Yes, we are. This is already
inside the fort already. Because of these things, the rocks. Second gate already.
This is second gate. So you have to cross 7 gates.
Cow. 7 gates in order to go inside.
Yes, to go inside the court.
Barabar. Ang daming mga monkeys sa taas, oh. You have to be careful of your belongings kasi guys, if kinuha nila yung mga belongings mo, they will be asking for food in return. Ang daming mga monkeys. Ayan, oh, naka-standby sila. Inside this fort, may mga nakatirang mga tao. They already have sari-sari store, no, Milan? It's inside already the fort, but it looks like a city. This is it? Acha.
This is a Victory Tower.
Which one?
Victory Tower.
Oh, Victory Tower.
Maharana Kumbha, when he win everything, that time he built this Victory Tower.
Baharabar. Kumbha is the Muslim guy?
No.
No?
He is Hindu.
Hindu.
Around 1,500.
Ah, okay. So, nandito na kami guys. So, meron silang binild na garden dito sa gilid. They are still maintaining it though. This looks good.
This is newly made. This is not the story that...
Ah, okay. This is not the story that I am telling them, Barabar.
100 years ago, they leave this place and shift to Udaipur.
Ah, 500 years ago. Okay.
They leave this place and shift to Udaipur.
What is the use of this one, Milan?
Nothing, is just victory.
Victory. To show them that they won.
Yes.
Ah.
Victory stone. Victory
Okay.
stone. Save your camera.
There's monkeys. Look. There's even a baby monkey. Look at your kin.
So,
What? Your kin. Your friends.
save your camera.
There's a lot of monkeys. Look. We're just roaming around. So, dito pala sa lugar na to, guys, yung 18, how much? 18,000 na mga kababaihan. 16,000.
16,000 queens and the wife of husband who go and fight
In the war, yes.
Who died.
So, this is the story of Queen Padmavati.
Queen Padmavati.
Ha, Padmavati.
Yes, and the 16,000 other wife of soldiers.
Ha. So, ayan. So, dahil kasi matagal na yun, guys, ang ginawa nila, gumawa na sila dito ng garden. So, tinambahan nila. Pero I will be showing you the photo here. Papakita ko sa inyo yung nangyari and yung story. So, dito kasi, guys, kaya very interested kaming pumunta dito sa Chittorgarh na tinatawag nila. Kasi, dito sa lugar na to, nangyari yung invasion. So, merong isang lalaki, merong isang hari na namumuna sa Delhi. So, yung kaharian niya sa Delhi. Tapos, meron nagsabi sa kanya, King Ratan Singh. That's the king, right?
And Queen Padmavati.
So, yung isang lalaki sa Delhi, may nakapagsabi na napakaganda daw nung wife ni King Ratan Singh, which is yung king dito sa Chittorgarh. So, dahil napakaganda daw, tinry niyang i-invade itong ano na to, palasyo na to. Pero hindi niya ma-invade, so kailangan niya mag-wait ng 8 months. So dito sa lugar na ito, dito sa palasyo na ito, nag-wait siya ng 8 months dito sa labas, dun sa border. So after ng 8 months na maubos na yung mga pagkain nila and all, parang dinisave niya yung King Ratan Singh dito and nakipagkaibigan siya pero binackstab siya and in the end na-invade din yung palace. And dito kasi sa Rajasthan, kapag bawal makita yung mukha ng mga tao, guys, especially mga babae, so bawal nilang makita yung mukha ng mga babae. So dahil sa sobrang kagandahan ni Queen Padmavati, ang nangyari, gusto makita ng king ng Delhi. So hindi hinayaan na makita. Ang ginawa, sinunog nila. Para hindi siya makita ng king, sinunog nila yung mga sarili nila. Nandi. Means what?
We have this tradition. There, whenever there will be Shiv God standing,
okay. This
there
is
will be Nandi in the front.
Cow?
Yes, cow.
Okay,
Shiva's
Shiva's vehicle. Okay.
Nandi will be always in front of you.
Okay.
So whenever you see Nandi,
There's Shiva.
there must be Shiva.
So this is what?
Padmani Palace.
Padmani Palace.
Queen's Palace.
Queen's Palace. Napakaganda.
Used to be. Will you die for me same way?
Yes, obviously. Napakaganda ng pagkakaagawa nila ng garden, no? Very
I don't
cute,
want you
very
to
pretty
die for
garden.
I want you to live for me.
Ew, corny. So, nandito naman kami sa Queen's Palace. So, dito pala sa Queen's Palace na ito, guys, merong maliit na tunnel. Dun sa pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, secret tunnel, kung saan pwedeng maligo yung queen dun sa lake. And then, nung nagkaroon ng attack, mula dun sa Queen's Tunnel, dito sa Queen's Tunnel, hanggang dun sa lake, dumiretso siya dun sa may pit para sunugin yung sarili niya, para nga hindi siya makita nung... Milan, that Alauddin is a Muslim king? I think yung Alauddin na yun, like, the Alauddin is a Muslim king? So, that Muslim king, Alauddin Khilji. So, ayun yung nangyari. Mula dito, naligo, and then burn. Amazon Prime, yes. What is the name? Padmavati. If you want to watch the movie, Padmavati. Padmawat. So, papunta naman tayo dun sa lugar, guys, kung saan sila naglaban. So, dito inaumpisahan yung digmaan nila. So, dun sa pinakadulo, So nakikita nyo mga rice fields. Diyan sila nag-umpisa. So doon sila nagstay for 8 months. And dito sila nagdepensa yung mga soldiers dito sa kaharian na to. So ayan guys, kung nakikita nyo, ito pala yung front gate nila. So yun yung front gate guys. And dito sila nagstay ng 6 to 8 months para kalabanin nga yung palasyo na ito. Milan, it is very heighted and it is very secured, no? That's why they have waited for 6 months, 8 months.
8 months they waited in a tent.
Until they're finished with food, and then
until the fort people finish with the food and everything. And it's start of summer also. In summer they cannot live properly because
Yes,
in
very
Rajasthan very hot summer.
So in the hotness, the Alauddin stroke back out.
The peace.
So he had a truce, no?
Yes.
With the king here.
But that's when he
betrayed
wanted to see the queen.
Mm-mm.
But he see the queen only in mirror. So he got furious.
And
So
then he betrayed the
he
king
called the
Ratan.
king for his hospitality.
Mm-mm.
But instead he kidnap and bring him to Delhi.
That's why the fort is lost. Kaya nagkaroon ng battlefield again dito guys, and that time lost. So nakuha ito ni King Alauddin. So ito naman yung tinatawag nilang Ratan Singh Palace guys. So ito yung palasyo ng hari nila dito. So kung napapansin nyo, napakaluma na ng structure, and minemaintain na lang nila yung garden. So nakita na natin yung King's Palace, yung Queen's Palace, and napakalayo ng mga palasyo nila sa isa't isa. So I wonder kung paano nila pinupuntahan yung isa't isa.
Chat.
This is chat. So uncle is making different items in here. So he is making chat right now. So there's potato na. What is that one? That's potato. And meron siyang nilalagay na iba't ibang mga chutney. This is sweet chutney. Spicy. That depends on you if you want spicy. And there's kachumbar like cabbage, onion, salt, and different masala like chaat masala and chili powder.
मैं फोन की तो क्या कोई नहीं आयो क्या बात होगी ना मैं क्या बात मारो तो क्या खुद ही होगा मुझे दीरा कहीं
थार पण गरम नहीं लवा
बन जाए
यो या ना
Kada gitna hai
30 रुपया
30 rupiah, 30 rupees for that one. May tomato. And merong dal. Lemon. And then little bit of
Pani puri water.
Pani puri water. Lalagyan ng kutsara and then you're ready to eat.
हाँ वही ना मैं तो खा लेता हूँ.
So this is potato, but it's garam, no?
हाँ
You try at least.
बेटा पानी डालना है कि नहीं
एक बार सिंपल वाला दे दो.
So maglalagay siya ng kaunting potato and there's pani puri water. Taste it if it's tasty. How was it? Good?
बेटा डालूं
Try.
So he is putting all the ingredients. Seb, okay, puri. Lemon and tomato inside, no? Tapos iba't ibang mga spices.
Main is mamra.
And then Seb,
Spicy one.
chili sauce. Ang kitna hai? 30 rupees. Lalagyan niya ng sweet sauce. Kachumbar or salad. And then serve. And then doy or yogurt. Curd, no? And little bit of potato.
पानी मत डालो,
And
पानी मत
water.
डालो, पानी मत डालो.
So this is how it looks like. This is what you call
Bel.
bel. But kakaput a lot of ingredients. Tikman mo. Go and
That's
try.
called bel.
This is called bel, right? Go and try it.
If you put lot of
It's
different.
30 rupees, right?
Yes.
Very appetizing tignan. 30 rupees means 20 pesos sa atin. Yummy? Tasty? Let me try. Because we have a very long drive, we decided to stop over. So let's mix it. Let's eat this. Look. Pinaghalo kasi niya yung sweet chutney and then green chutney or the spicy one. So, nagko-complement yung lasa nila sa isa't isa. And dapat, lagyan mo siya ng iba't ibang mga salad. Like onion and cabbage. Para masyadong, yung tawag doon, ma-enhance yung lasa niya. Masarap siya. Mabubusog ka na.